Today I'm going to show you how to transform photo into a chalk drawing on a brick wall in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to File, and open a photo of someone that you'd like to make into a chalk drawing. Go to Select, and Subject. Press Ctrl J to cut the subject from its background. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Disable the background. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open the Shadows and Highlights. I'll increase the shadows amount to 100%. Then click OK. Make the foreground and background colors white and black, or press D on your keyboard to make them black and white, and then press X to invert them. Go to Filter, and Filter Gallery, open the Sketch folder, and click Photocopy. I'll make the detail 2, and the darkness 50. Then click OK. Select the layer below, click on the adjustment layer icon, and create a solid color. In the color picker, choose black. Then click OK. Select the top layer. Click the FX icon and choose the stroke. Make the stroke color white. The size 3 pixel. The position center. The blend mode dissolve. And the opacity 60%. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Right-click and convert these layers into one smart object. Press V to open your Move tool and drag it up onto the tab of the brick background. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then use these handles to resize the image. When you're happy with its size and position, press Enter on the keyboard. Change the blend mode to screen. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider of the underlying layer. Then click OK. Select the background, click on the adjustment layer icon, and create an exposure. I'll make the exposure -2.17, and the gamma correction 0.85. Then close Properties window. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.